Welcome back to Decobloom. Have you ever wondered what true aristocratic elegance looks like behind the heavy wooden doors of a French estate? Today, we are stepping into the breathtaking world of classical Parisian luxury, exploring magnificent opulent mansions and exquisite interiors that define timeless aristocratic grandeur. Let's begin the grand tour. Step up to the imposing black doors, where heavy brass hardware meets pristine limestone. A magnificent wrought-iron canopy stretches overhead, framing your arrival. These symmetrical boxwoods, in classic planters, whisper the promise of ultimate Parisian elegance waiting just beyond this breathtaking architectural threshold. Crossing the threshold reveals an absolute masterpiece of design, grounded by striking checkerboard marble floors. Your eyes are naturally drawn upward along the exquisitely carved white paneling toward a massive antique brass lantern. It is a brilliant introduction to historic residential opulence and scale. Even the smallest transitional spaces deserve extraordinary attention to detail. Leave your coat upon vintage brass hooks and take a moment on the dusty rose velvet bench. The distressed gold mirror perfectly captures the refined hospitality that defines a truly aristocratic luxury home experience. Welcome to the absolute heart of the home, anchored by iconic chevron oak parquet flooring. A monumental marble fireplace and towering vintage mirror command the space, while tufted silk seating invites elegant gatherings under soaring ceilings adorned with meticulously detailed plasterwork and decorative molding. Far more than a simple corridor, this sweeping enfilade hallway serves as a monument to history. Heavy silk draperies frame tall arched windows, casting light upon classical Roman busts and vibrant floral arrangements. It is a stunning passage connecting the grandest public entertaining rooms. Retreat into a cozier atmosphere wrapped in exquisite hand-painted silk wallpaper featuring delicate floral motifs. Emerald green velvet settees gather intimately beneath a stunning crystal chandelier, creating a flawless environment scaled perfectly for quiet conversation and private relaxation amidst incredible rich jewel tones. Imagine hosting unforgettable evenings around this massive mahogany table, surrounded by 14 elegant medallion chairs. Soft French blue walls contrast beautifully with crisp white molding, while a cascading crystal chandelier illuminates the antique silver candelabras below. This is the absolute pinnacle of formal dining. Lose yourself in a moody intellectual retreat where dark walnut bookshelves stretch endlessly from floor to ceiling. Settle into the distressed leather sofa near a vintage terrestrial globe. Rich wood carvings and heavy velvet curtains foster a profound sense of quiet academic contemplation. Prepare to be captivated by traditional blue and white wallpaper covering every inch of this bold guest bathroom. A solid block of marble serves as the vanity, paired with gleaming swan neck faucets. Crystal sconces and vintage gold deliver maximum impact in a small footprint. This culinary haven beautifully balances modern professional utility with old-world charm. A commanding black and brass range anchors the room, while a thick marble island cascades gracefully toward the terracotta tile floors. Overhead, copper pots hang ready for creating spectacular gourmet dinner feasts. Discover a jewel box of domestic organization hidden just out of sight. Glass front cabinetry proudly displays fine porcelain and antique silver, while dark-oiled walnut counters provide an elegant prep surface. A brass picture light elevates this highly functional service space into something extraordinary. Greet the day in this relaxed dining nook bathed in gentle morning light. Take a seat on classic woven rattan cafe, chairs around the intimate iron bistro table. With oversized doors opening to the gardens, it is the perfect spot for coffee and fresh pastries. Step into an environment projecting quiet authority and supreme focus. A handsome leather-topped writing desk anchors the room against a backdrop of historic tapestries. Settle into the velvet wingback chair beneath the glow of a green banker's lamp for moments of deep intellectual work. Retire to this deeply layered lounge where rich burgundy velvet sofas face a charming rustic stone fireplace. A mirrored tray holding crystal decanters awaits your evening selection. Intricate plaster molding and large classical paintings complete this flawless setting for private socialization and nightly nightcaps. Descend into a specialized tasting vault defined by historic exposed stone walls and curved brick ceilings. Wrought iron racks carefully cradle an impressive vintage collection. Gather around the raw oak table to celebrate centuries of viniculture tradition in this incredibly atmospheric subterranean tasting room space. Seamlessly blend indoor luxury with the outdoors beneath majestic limestone arches. Sink into linen-draped sofas alongside weathered teak tables, while hanging iron lanterns cast a warm glow. This sheltered space offers an incredibly comfortable vantage point to admire the stunning structured grounds ahead. Wander through an absolute masterpiece of formal landscape architecture. Perfectly manicured boxwood hedges form strict geometric patterns against crunchy white gravel pathways. Hidden cast iron benches offer peaceful resting spots in this highly structured green oasis that perfectly complements the grandeur of the estate. Discover a romantic architectural folly tucked away at the edge of the property. Fragrant white climbing roses weave through delicate wooden trellises, enveloping a private interior space. A small marble pedestal table awaits, beautifully set for an afternoon of high tea and delicate pastel macarons. Look back toward the house to admire a stunning second-floor balcony. Wrought-iron floral motifs, perfectly framed tall doors flung wide open to the world. Sheer white curtains blow gracefully in the breeze, capturing the absolute romantic pinnacle of historic French luxury design. We hope you enjoyed this magnificent journey through classic French luxury, from the sweeping marble foyers to the romantic courtyard gardens. These exquisite interiors truly demonstrate the timeless appeal of aristocratic architectural design. If you love this grand tour, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Decobloom channel, and leave a comment telling us which incredible room was your absolute favorite.